Today I will be explaining how to use a search engine called Wikipedia. And so once our computer is up and going, we open the internet. Google Chrome works great, or Safari. And we type in the URL wikipedia.org and we search. And we come to this home page of Wikipedia where we can select a language. We'll keep it in English. And right here there's a bar that we can search. So I'm going to search for elephant, or a project to learn more about elephants. And this took us to an article all about elephants. It talks about how they're mammals and the different types of elephants and where they're found, their distinctive features, things that they eat, how they fit into society and reproduce, things that are hard for elephants to face, different information about their evolution, and all sorts of different things we can learn about. We can learn more about their features, like their ears or their trunk, or even down here their teeth or their tusks. And Wikipedia is great because it has little definitions, so any word that's blue you can click on. So if we wanted to know more about ivory, the material their tusks are made out of, we can click onto ivory and it will take us to another article all about ivory and what it is. So Wikipedia is a very helpful source for learning information. Anyone can edit Wikipedia, so it's good to have a second source, but it's a great starting place to learn more about a desired topic.